At the southmost part of India, in Kerala, there exists a small beach town in Trivandrum that is known for its unique laterite cliffs. The 15-meter high northern cliff offers stunning panoramic view of the Arabian Sea. According to Hindus, the beach is believed to have holy waters that can wash away one's sins. The town also houses the final resting place of Sri Narayana Guru, the revered philosopher, leader and social reformer from Kerala. Cliffside walks, water sports, yoga, Ayurveda and backwaters blend together to form the most beautiful beach town. Varkala.
Today, we'll be exploring Varkala, where the Arabian Sea touches the steep cliffs made of laterite rocks. Seems simple, right? But not quite. Varkala is one of the very few beaches have this unique topography. So, let's go out and explore. Since I'm from Trivandrum, I didn't had much to travel. So I thought, even then I'll go with a good place to stay and let's enjoy a bit. And then I found this beautiful property near Varkala, and they even let me couch surf it. So this is the one I'm staying. So if you want any details, you can check it out. And it's one of the most, scenic places I've seen here, right near lake and all. So it's already 7:30 AM in the morning. The sun is already up, but still, let's go chase some sunrise. We have reached Black Sand Beach and it's becoming too sunny, and probably evening is the best time to visit here. So we'll take a walk from here to the helipad over at the other end. So that's the total strip of Varkala. So we'll start walking from here till the helipad. Till there we have shops on one side of the cliff and the other side we have the Arabian Sea. So let's stroll through this one.
Black Sand Beach is 1 kilometer away from Varkala. It gives a much more calm and peaceful vibe due to less crowd. The region have high mineral content and monazite deposits, which is the reason for the black sand. Even though it is offbeat, it's getting more attention these days due to its beauty.
We're almost 2/3 of the journey now, and we've seen a lot of cafes and a lot of more cafes to come. So people who love to party and achieve couples, this is going to be a safe haven for them. So we have reached the end of the cliff walk. Some 30-40 meters from here, they'll have that exit towards that helipad. But our motorcycle is still back in that black sand beach, so we'll have to go back there to get it. And a lot of activities are going down in the sea. But right now, since it's a bit too sunny and we have one more place to catch up to, we are skipping this towards evening. So we are going to the next location, which is Kappil. So let's see you there. And evening, I'll come back and I'll take the shots of the sunset from here and I'll show you how beautiful it is. So we reached Kappil beach. It's around some 6 to 8 kilometers from Varkala cliff. It's more of into a nature side actually. Here I remember much more pine trees from my childhood, but here it's known for that pine trees and lake nearby the sea. In one side it is sea and in the other side it's covered with a lake. So in lake we have activities here and that also we are not trying out. So let's enjoy the views.
Initially, we planned on reaching Varkala by around 5 pm in the evening so that we'll get that sunset shot properly. But it was getting too cloudy, so we rushed towards Varkala beach before the rain. But unfortunately, it rained and we lost that shot.
So actually, we came back to Varkala for taking one more drone shot and it got failed miserably. So we are climbing.
Even though we anticipated rain, it was a setback. So we decided to skip the sunset and go back to the resort. But at that time, clearly we didn't know that we had something better waiting back. By the time I reached back to the resort, there were some events happening there and it was so vibrant with having all those people there. They were going on a boat ride nearby and they asked me if I want to hop in. So obviously I joined. I just went for a casual ride, but I didn't know what was coming next. What I witnessed was one of the best sunsets of my life. I don't know, but I really feel happy about missing the sunset at Varkala.
Hi, Varna.
Hi!
It's almost 10:30 p.m. and I'm back in the resort. We had a few minor setbacks today, but almost everything went according to the plan. It's life. You'll get something and you'll lose something. Thanks for watching. Naved signing off.
എന്നോടൊന്നും ചൊല്ലില്ല അനുരാഗം മീട്ടും ഗന്ധർവൻ നീ സ്വപ്നം കാണും ആകാശത്തോപ്പിൻ കിന്നരൻ